In this lecture, you'll explore the three major categories of cybersecurity frameworks called control frameworks, program frameworks, and risk frameworks. You'll learn how to use them to organize your work, align your team, and communicate your security program effectively to stakeholders. As a security leader, you'll constantly be asked, are we doing enough? How mature is our program? And how do we compare to others in our industry? The good thing is, cybersecurity frameworks give you a structured way to answer these questions with credibility. They also help you prioritize the right activities and justify security investments with confidence. Let's unpack the first type of cybersecurity framework, called control frameworks. Control frameworks define specific security controls you should have in place to reduce risk. You should use these when building your architecture, auditing your environment, or meeting compliance. Some of the known cybersecurity control frameworks include NIST SP 800, 53, ISO IEC 27001, CIS controls, and COBIT. NIST SP 800, 53 is widely used in government and regulated industries. ISO IEC 27001 is a global standard for information security management. CIS controls is highly practical and prioritized set of security best practices. And COBIT bridges technical controls with governance. Second type of cybersecurity framework is called program frameworks. Program frameworks will help you manage the overall security lifecycle and demonstrate program maturity. You should use these to communicate with executives, benchmark progress, and align with business priorities. Some of the popular cybersecurity program frameworks include NEST Cybersecurity Framework, CMMI, and Microsoft Cybersecurity Reference Architecture. NEST Cybersecurity Framework maps 5 key functions such as identify, protect, detect, respond, recover. CMMI is a maturity model for improving process quality. And Microsoft Cybersecurity Reference Architecture maps Microsoft tools to security capabilities. Third type of cybersecurity framework is called risk frameworks. Risk frameworks will help you evaluate impact versus likelihood and make smart decisions about resource allocation. You should use these when deciding which risks to accept, mitigate, or transfer. Some of the cybersecurity risk framework examples includes FAIR, NIST Risk Management Framework, and ISO 31000. FAIR quantifies risk in financial terms. NIST Risk Management Framework is used for lifecycle for managing risk in federal systems. And ISO 31000 includes principles for enterprise risk management. How they work together. Think of them like this. Control frameworks equals what to do. Program frameworks equals how to manage it. And risk frameworks equals why it matters. In a strong security program, you'll use all three and often layered together. So, what is your leadership takeaway from this lecture? You don't need to implement every framework perfectly. Start with one from each category that best fits your environment. Your strength as a leader is in knowing which ones to apply and when. Now, please take a moment to reflect. Which frameworks are already in use in your organization, and where are the gaps? And capture your thoughts using the Framework Planning worksheet in the Resources tab.